Well guys, we're continuing the bathroom projects, and today it's time to get rid of this old towel bar. Let's get a new one in. These have little set screws in the bottom of them. This happens to be a flathead. Good catch. Great catch. All right guys, you see this has just a single Phillips that holds these things on, and I'm going to show you the new ones. All right guys, so that's the new one that I'm going to put on right now. Let's get to it. All right guys, if you happen to have a stud finder, you could double check to see, because these didn't have actually sheetrock anchors, and so I'm thinking maybe they put them directly into studs. So if you've got a stud finder, you want to place it against the wall, then press the button, and then move. So that's not detecting a stud there. And this one is detecting a stud. So I'm just going to double check this one more time. Not detecting a stud. Now, knowing that home should be 16 on center, this should be 16, and it sure as heck is to this stud here. So there's a possibility this one doesn't have a stud behind it, but we're going to double check. So I have another technique that I use, which is I take something smaller than the hole and I stick it inside it just to see if I can get, and that is stuck on something, and that's about the screw depth right there. So I'm going to say that there probably is a stud there, and the stud finder isn't picking it up. All right, let's move on. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to measure center to center. And so we know that these screws, these set screws, are center. And so I'm going to measure center to center, and it measures right at 23 7/8, 23 13/16 strong. And so I'm going to measure the existing holes to see what these have. And this is 23 13/16. And so those screw holes will work. I kind of want to fill that stud just to make sure. Yeah, there is something definitely there. All right guys, so what's next is we place this on and we set those set screws. And you can tell that I am going to have a little bit of paint touch up to do around this because these are smaller, but that's no big deal. So when you put these on, you want these set screws at the bottom so they can't be seen. Now that we have a new towel bar installed, if you find these videos useful, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.